guys, I just wanted to say, over the summer we are going to have a video every Friday, so make sure you keep in tune for that. All over the summer we are going to have a video every Friday, but when we go to France we won't be able to do that. So please keep in tune for that, and we will keep you updated with videos every Friday. I saw you X in that video then? Wait a second. So before you go, I just want to say, please put down in the comments ideas on videos if you want to be part. And please say that, like, ideas on different videos, because I would love to hear your ideas for this channel. Now, I do have ideas, I just want you to be part of this channel. Now, if you're already subscribed, well, click that bell button so you get a notification every Friday of the video. I do not know approximate time that the videos will be going on, but I know that I will be posting every Friday. Now, put down in the comments if you want me to do a Q&A. I have done a lot of Q&As, and I know you guys really like the Q&As. So if you want me to do a Q&A, just put down in the comments any questions that you want to ask me or anything like that. Here's Alicia just peeping. So yeah, so I will see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed. Just make sure that your comment is clear that you want it to be included in a video, because I obviously won't know if it's not meant to be included in the video. If it's just a comment, I will obviously not know that. So please put down in the comment that you actually want it to be in the video. So thank you for watching. Bye!